Today I'm going to show you how to repair the threads on a 06 Honda Accord. The aluminum oil pan, the threads pulled out. To do this job you're going to need a special tool, and what it does is it oversizes the hole and then you cap it out, and then it comes with the new drain plugs and gasket you'll need to do the job. I'll put a link in the description on where I got the tool from. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the 6 bolts that hold the exhaust manifold on. There's 3 here and then 3 at the front of the manifold. We'll remove those 6 bolts and we're just going to drop the exhaust down and move it over a couple inches, and that'll give us access to drill out the hole. Before attempting to remove the nuts on the exhaust, I would spray a little penetrating oil on them. Exhaust bolts like to freeze up and give you problems. Now that I got their exhaust dropped down, it gives me straight access to drilling it out. Put a big blob of grease, a good amount of grease, on the cutting tool that's hooked up to your drill. That way when you cut into the oil pan, the metal shavings will stick to the grease and won't go in the pan. So the next step would be I had to hook up my right angle drill to get it in. There's a little hump on the frame right here, wouldn't allow me to go in straight, so I hooked up my right angle drill and drilled it in. Now the next step would be to run the thread tracer through. As you can see with the grease that I put on there, it caught all the metal shavings so it didn't fall into the pan. There may be a few stragglers and you can try to get out with a rag or a little pick tool or whatever. What you're going to do is the tap starts, you start it in your threads, and it's spring loaded, so you started a few threads by hand and it's spring loaded so that it fits absolutely flush with the block and it holds it in position, and then you just by hand with the ratchet turn it in until you thread it all the way through. As you can see, the new threads are now tapped inside the pan, and the kit comes with a brand new drain plug and washer, so I'll put that on next and show you. This is what the drain plug looks like. It comes with the kit. See? So after you use them, you do have to order more and replace it. Okay, I got the new drain plug back in after drilling it out, tapping it, and cleaning the threads. And I got the exhaust mounted back up, and now I'm going to spray off all the excess oil and penetrating oil. Now that we got it all cleaned up, we're going to put some oil in it. We also changed the filter. Put some oil in it and start it up, and then we'll lift it back up and double check our work, make sure there's no leaks, and if everything is good, we'll send it home. I hope this video has helped you out, and if I can help you any more in any way, please leave a comment below and I'll gladly get back to you. Thank you again. This is Brian from howtoautomotive.com. Stay tuned for the next video.